Have you ever checked your email and thought, wait, when did I order that? Keep watching because in today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned the notes page in my Erin Condren A5 Softbound planner into something that completely changed the way I shop online. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki and I'm the creator behind Nikki J Plans. If you love all things planning, journaling, creative organization, and building a life you truly love, you're absolutely in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future planner content. It truly supports my channel so much. And if you want daily inspiration, you can also find me on Instagram under the same handle, Nikki J Plans. Let's get started. The notes page is meant to be an extension of your goals and plans. It's not just extra paper. It's not just a brain dump. It's a space where your intentions meet your real life decisions. For me, one of my personal goals this year is to take control of my spending. I'm very intentional in so many areas of my life, my planning, my work, my content creation, but I realized I wasn't being just as intentional with my online purchases. So instead of ignoring it, I decided to track it. I turned my notes page into an online order tracker. I'm going to use my Hand Can Plan thick washi. I got this from her last Advent calendar, and I'm also going to layer it with this other sticker from Hand Can Plan's sticker shop. It's a spiral notepad sticker. What I love about this sticker is that it looks like a notepad, but when you turn it, it actually looks like a planner. I'm going to use it this way today. When you create an online order tracker, you want it to be simple but informative. Here's what I'm planning to include. Date ordered, the store, item purchased, total cost including tax and shipping, and was the purchase planned or impulsive, and if the item was delivered. If you have additional space, you could add a notes column to answer, why did I buy this? Was it worth it? The goal isn't just tracking money, it's tracking behavior. I'm going to fast forward this next part. Now let's talk about the thought process. Before I click place order, I pause and I ask myself a few questions. Was this purchase planned? Does this align with my current goals? Am I buying this because I need it or because I'm bored, stressed, or even influenced? Do I already own something similar? That's a big one, especially in the planner world. Would I still buy this if it wasn't on sale? And if I wait 24 hours, will I still want it? That one works usually all the time with me. That pause is powerful because most online orders happen in seconds, but the impact lasts weeks, months. So the 24-hour rule usually works for me. I review my tracker before placing a new order. I set a weekly spending limit, and I redirect the urge. Maybe I journal, tidy my planner supplies, or review what I already have. Sometimes the desire to buy something is actually a desire for novelty, creativity, or even control. And I can often satisfy that without spending money. When I look back at my tracker, I can see patterns. I can even see growth. And I do celebrate my progress. So I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you love seeing how I use my Erin Condren planner, follow me on Instagram, same handle, Nikki J Plans. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.